Okay, here we go. Some wild-caught salmon. We're about to season it up with some salt and pepper. I'm using kosher salt right here. Get it all over. And we add the pepper. Get some water to boil. Salt it up. Once the water is boiling, add the pasta. Make sure it all gets in there. Have some Italian parsley, finely chopped. Some shallots, some butter. Once you pull out your pasta and it's drained, add a little olive oil to keep it from sticking. Get it all mixed up. And heat up a pan. Add some olive oil, about medium-high. Once the oil is nice and hot, we want to put our salmon. Don't mind Jacob screaming in the background. For the sauce, we want to put a quarter cup of lemon juice, that is. Dice of shallot. And we want to add the garlic. Give that a nice little mix. We want to let the lemon juice reduce to about half. Once it's reduced, then we add the butter. About half a stick of butter. We cut it up into pieces so it melts in nicely. What I did, I took it off the heat. You can see. Just let it melt on there. Once the butter's all melted, I can't even talk. You want to add your parsley. Give that a nice little mix. Gives it some nice color. Then I add some capers. I put like 2 tablespoons of capers, in which for me was a little too much. A little overpowering for me. Some people like capers. I like them as well, but not too much. I should have put 1 tablespoon. You see the salmon looks nice and seared. Now time to serve it. On a bed of pasta. Pour the sauce right on top. Mine came out a little thick. But you guys are going to love it. Pretty good. Little garnish. Give it some color. Add some parsley on top. And if you're on a keto diet or avoiding carbs, just spread some sauce on a nice clean plate. Place the salmon right over that. And then add a little bit more sauce on top of that. You could always serve it with some veggies, some asparagus, or veggies of your liking. Garnish it on top with some parsley. Again, give it some nice color. A little more sauce on the sides of the plate as you eat. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Any questions? Go ahead and feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.